This is my my first toy Ratchet, and I have a second one, which is I think the Buick. I don't know, but this is my second toy Ratchet, which is very loose, but I'll probably get him in vehicle mode. So before we look at the details, let's see the articulation. Arms can go all the way back. Arms can go out. Arms can turn here. Arms can kind of go there. This hand can go in a little all the way, but that's a other gimmick, which we're gonna show that off later. If we take off the roll cage piece, well, let's set it aside. This hand has a little bit of articulation. Moving that to let's move that aside. And let's look at the figure. Articulation wise, legs are on a good single nice Ratchet. Legs can go forward, legs can go that forward, weird, and legs can go all the way back while bringing this whole entire thing up, and he can kick his whole entire he can kick his head. Yeah, can kind of come to his head, but of course he's very loose. So be careful buying a figure like this. So head is on a very good swivel. A nice little swivel. Wings can fold up, but fold forward too. See, people? That's what I mean. Sorry, guys. There you have his wing expand. And just to tell you some stuff that my mom's been doing some work today. And it's really that I don't know if I'm gonna film a big video, but it's gonna be good. So to transform him, take the whole entire feet and just kind of pop him in there while locking them into place. Turning these legs 260 degrees. Unpeg him, bring the body, bring that back, fold this windshield forward, bring that back forward, then bring this whole entire section in like that and like that. If we can, just kind of peg together these legs. Then bring up the back bumper. And just to tell you another thing that my grandma loved, I went to my grandma's today and she loved this figure. So I took this figure with me. My cousins came because we went swimming together. My grandma too. My mom, of course, she was at work, so she couldn't come and visit. But really, it's good to be there sometimes, even in the summer. Like if you're coming in the summer, just bring it in there. There you go. And so if you're coming at the summer, just notice to pack everything because my mom forgot to pack me a towel. So my mom forgot to pack me a towel. So there you have the figure in vehicle mode, which looks very nice. It's gonna But yeah, a good, decent figure. Okay, let's get back into current robot mode. So untab these door panels. Like that. Untabbing them. Bring down the whole entire thing. Bring that off. Bring these arms out. Turning the head. Bring down these arms. Turn the arms like such. Like so, I mean. Bring up. What? What is it?
Scoot over, bud.
Like that.
Thank you.
Let's try that side. Bring down the legs. Split them. Turn them. Flip the feet. While bringing the